Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Pinduoduo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mms.pinduoduo.com/login and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for the Pinduoduo login page. Now you can use the translate feature within your web browser to translate the language into any of your preferred one, and you will be able to see the account login button. You can also download the application and then scan the QR code from within in order to log in for a shortcut. If you click on account login, you will be asked to enter your phone number or your account name. Just type in your user ID that you have set while creating your account and then type in your account password. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Pinduoduo account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Pinduoduo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.